So this is the Koenigsegg Regera from gtspirit. This car is in the blue. I'm not exactly sure what color name this is, but I'd say like a blue, like a baby blue almost. It does come off like, I'd say, a little more white or green on camera, but I would say that's because of the LED strip that is above the disc. So now let's open it. So now with the car out of the box, let's get it off the stand so we can have a proper look at it. I think the rims are pretty unique, and I think that's pretty cool to see. I haven't seen anything like it since. And the color, hopefully it shows up a little better on the camera. This is the back. Try to see as best as the camera can. If I add any extra light, it just becomes almost blurry, I think. Like, that's with the extra light. A little hard to tell, but at least it's somewhat brighter. So there's the front. I think it's pretty scary seeing that in your rear view. Now let's take a look at that interior. Now, I am a active viewer of Stradman's, so I know he did his Aventador in the pink and white interior, and I've heard, and it's kind of somewhat seen through the camera, the pain of having the white dash, especially since it reflects upward. So, you know, I'm not sure if this is based off a real car, but I can only imagine how blinding it is to drive with such a white dash. But thankfully this is just a model, so don't have to drive it. Although sadly, you know, it's just a model. If only I had the real thing in front of me. But maybe one day. So that's the interior. Can't see much on it. I'm zoomed in all the way. The tiny windows make it hard to see. The seats look pretty detailed. Incredibly detailed. Even the seat belt lock thingy even has its red button, push button. The steering wheel, along with the cup holders. Again, another incredible detailed car. You have the brakes in the same color. A little hard to see on the camera, but I think that's just because of the light. So now, let's zoom out. And let's see the number on this car. I haven't checked that yet, so. Ooh, I do like that a whole lot. So this number is 884 out of 1500. So at least we're under 1,000. That's pretty cool. So this car, I think, is like the first one that's actually detailed under, especially with this. I thought I would like this a lot. Let's get it on the turntable. So that is it for the Koenigsegg Regera. Again, just a simple Koenigsegg car, the signature look when it comes to the cockpit of the car, but everything else is wildly different. And again, this car looks incredibly aggressive. This is just a simple yet incredibly detailed car. The paint in it is beautiful. It has some flakes in it that doesn't come across well on camera, and it's a little bit of the LED strip that's above and the lamp that's behind me. The sun is going down, so this is as best as I can get it. You can't really see the paint well, but maybe in the future when I'm showing off my collection, I don't know when, but maybe at some point with better lighting, it will appear better on camera. It is just a simple Koenigsegg, but worth every dollar that I spent on it. Again, I think this car was around, I want to say this car was 8,000 pesos. I could be wrong on that, but that is my guess. But it's around there. It's between 8,000 and 9,000. I think maybe 840 or 8,400, but convert it into USD somewhere on the camera and tell me if I overpaid or if I got a good deal on it. Out of the other cars, the Ford GT and the Agera R, the RSR in this case, I did see those in other places, but this car I didn't, and I can't really judge if it was a good deal or not. Again, eBay and online model shops, they kind of differ on price, so people who are watching this that know the market on these a lot better than I do, please correct me and see, and tell me if I got a good deal or not. If I didn't, it's okay. If I did, that's great. Other than that, that is about it for this one. Again, like and subscribe, but thanks for watching till the end.